Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're trying to explain to people how when they operate the friction hinges on windows, when they open them for the first time, that they avoid opening them incorrectly. The first pair of hinges I'm going to demonstrate are the Avocet hinges, which are the ones with the black end caps on. The second set will be the Secura style Defender hinges, which have got the grey end caps on them. And the final ones will be the Nico style of hinges, which have simply got a pyramid head on the top of them. On the Avocet hinges, you'll find that there are directional arrows on both of the stays. Now, it's important that they are opened in the correct manner to avoid the disengagement of the top section of the opening stay. If you open them correctly, using the directional arrow, it will work perfect. However, if you open them in the opposite direction, what can happen is a piece of material can fracture if it's in cold conditions. So you must always avoid opening it in that direction. If you did, that's what happens, it springs away. But fortunately, with a good pair of hands, you can put it down on a surface where you can offer back into place the end and close it again, which will then allow you to be able to open it the correct way. But you have to try hard to get that back in position. So as you don't make a mistake, these are not logos. These are directional arrows. So we can see here that this one swings to the right and this one swings to the left. Once again, as with the previous stays, these have got arrows on them to indicate which way to open. This one opens that way, which is perfectly okay. However, once again, if you do open it in the opposite direction, it springs out, and as you try to put it back in, this point at the top won't go in. You squeeze it together and offer it back in with a small click, and it will go back to the correct position. Always look for the arrows on the Secura style Defender hinges and the Avocet hinges. On the Secura style Defender hinges, again, there is the small arrow which indicates right opening, left opening. The final hinge or stay that we're going to demonstrate is the Nico Hinge. This one is designed to work in both directions. Because of the pyramid head on the top, you can move it to this side as well as moving it to the opposite direction. And that is how these work. On the Nico Hinge with the pyramid on the top, you'll see that there are no directional arrows, purely and simply because of course they can travel in either direction. Thank you once again for watching our video, and I hope that it's helpful for you.